This is a 2017 GMC Sierra SLT crew cab, red over black, leather interior, power windows, locks and mirrors, Bose audio, power driver's seat with memory seating, leather wrap steering wheel, cruise control, remote start, satellite radio, trailer brake controls, heated seats, electronic climate control, OnStar. There's a look at the rear seat. Running boards, aluminum wheels, backup sensors, receiver hitch, lockable tailgate, tonneau cover, sliding rear window. This vehicle is powered by a 5.3 liter V8, so it's got power. And like all pre-owned vehicles at Autonation Cadillac, it has a 5-day, 250-mile money-back guarantee.